Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. This week I'm pulling a project off the back burner. A long time ago, I created these 3 substrates from Paltia in a workshop with Maria Sarmiento, and I have completed 2 of them. They are garden sculptures of raindrops that will be going together in the garden. So I just have this one left. It is actually the biggest one, and I'm going to tackle it this week. So these 2 I made using black thinset, and I have a bag mixed up here of rainbow colorants black pigment mixed with Laticrete 254 thinset that I will be using when I get to this. Now today I just added Apoxie Sculpt right here to hold this copper pipe in place, so I can't really work on it today, but I have pulled all of the colors that I really want to use in this one. So I want to go dark, similar to this, but at the top I'm gonna not quite go as light as this. I'm gonna kind of go about this color, so it's a little bit different from both of these. And I will be adding little bits of other colors and Millefiori and gold. Let's see, where's some gold? And gold, like this. So it's a fun project. They kind of swirl around as they go up, and I really like that, so I'll continue on with that. Another raindrop that I did, I started with a swirl and went around, and there's a swirl on the other side, and that also went around, and then they met up and they went up to the top. That's how I did the other one, so that's how I'll be doing this one. And this side is nice and flat, so I'm going to start on this side. The other side is a little bumpier, and that side will be next. Here we go. I'm going to start with this gorgeous piece of blue textured SMALTI. So I stopped working on this last night, and I worked on it a little bit today, but I thought I better stop because I've made it quite far. And one thing that I've done is I have drawn lines that show the direction that I'll be heading up and around. Not all the way up, but just to get me going in the right direction so that I'll know that I had to go from going around this part in a spiral to turning and going up and out. So this is going to be an area where I go wider, 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 probably split and keep going. This one's going to split and I'm going to go around here for this. And then, I don't know, I'll figure it out. I might have to split this to go up over here as well. So there's a lot of splitting and turning, and it's a little bit tricky. This is kind of my lowest section, so I'm going to work on this right now. As far as I've gotten, a little less than halfway, but it does get skinnier as it goes up. So I'm pretty sure I can finish it next week. Look at that. I love the little undulations and how it swirls around. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.